let's take a look at the way that you track multiple budgets within YNAB. If you're trying to plan across multiple budgets and want to track all of the income and expenses within YNAB, you can create targets for multiple categories and have multiple accounts within. So to do that, let's head over to YNAB. Now, before you start off your budget, make sure you add in your targets so that you know how much you are spending for a particular category. For example, if you want to create a category for bills, you can just tap on the edit plan option on the top right. And here you'll be able to see all of the targets that you've created prior. If you haven't, tap on the three dotted line on the top right and then tap on new category. This way you'll be able to create a target so that you do not overspend and allocate the accurate budget. So once this step is completed, what you can also do is add in multiple accounts so that you can use different sources to fund your budgets. If you head over to the account section on the bottom, you'll be able to see the accounts that you previously added in. If you only have one account on this section, what you can do is tap on add account and here add in other accounts that you might have, whether they be bank accounts, debit cards, or even credit cards. So just fill in your information, and once that is done, they will start to show up in the account section. Now, when we're trying to add in any transaction, you will have the option of choosing the payee as well as the category that you assigned or have created as a main budget. So if you have multiple budgets such as bills and needs, you can select each category to put this transaction into. Now to visualize the data that you just added in, you can head over to the reflect section and then take a look at all of the budgets that you've created and the expenses that are within those budgets. You can tap open the individual breakdown and take a look at what is happening currently inside of these budgets that you've created. So that's the way that you track multiple budgets inside of YNAB. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.